Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And guess what, you all, this is a highly requested video. So what I am showing you all is a portable washing machine that I've ordered from Temu. So I did do a video on using this product, and what I washed in it at the time was some socks and maybe a bra. So I decided to go ahead and make this product, this washing machine, a wig washing machine. Yes, to wash my wigs in. So I will not be washing any clothes or anything in it, but it will be for my wigs. Because if you put clothes in it, you're going to only have to put maybe a t-shirt, maybe a couple of pair of socks, each time. Not like 4 or 5 items in it, because it's not made for like 4 or 5 items. It's just a little item. So since I wasn't satisfied when I showed you guys in a video the last time, I'm going to make this tub, this washing machine, for my wigs only. Yes, for the washing of my wigs only. So here I am going to fill the tub up with water. So you guys, I might have overfilled the tub, but it still worked wonderfully. Yes, it did. It did work wonderfully. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the tub up with water. And then next, I am going to show you a wig that I have been wearing for a while. And I call it my everyday wig. So I haven't washed it. It's been a while. So I'm going to try it out in this portable washing machine. This is my everyday wig, you guys. Since I'm natural now and I cut my hair, I am wearing my own hair. So I said, well, let me go ahead and wash this wig. So when it get kind of cool, I can throw my, wig back on. So I want it to be clean. So here is an example on how I am going to wash this wig. So I do have some shampoo that I am going to put over into the tub. And I might have overdid it, y'all. I think I overdid it with the shampoo. You only need about maybe 1 or 2 squirts, but don't put so much in it, like I just did. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You're going to keep your finger on the power button. So I set it for about 10 minutes. I'm going to wash this wig for 10 minutes. And it rotates back and forth. As it spins, it's going to stop and then spin the other way. So I think this is perfect for washing your wigs, y'all. You don't have to do it by hand anymore. Go ahead and get you a portable washing machine and start washing your wigs. Yes, I am loving it. So I am going to wash this wig for about 10 minutes. Wait till the timer runs out, and I will be right back. So this is a short style wig that I'm showing you all, but I don't know how it is with a longer wig. Now this short style wig, it did puff up, and you will see me pushing it down. Just pushing it down, turning it, because I don't want it to just puff up. So I'm just trying to soak it on down up in there, So it did wash well, y'all. And I might have overdid it with the shampoo. So I'm going to go ahead and let this finish washing, and I will be right back. Okay, now I am going to speed up the video until we get to the rinse cycle. Now that it's finished washing, I'm going to take the wig out. I did overdo on the shampoo. All you need is about 1 or 2 squirts, and that's it. Don't pour like I did earlier. So I am removing the suds, and I'm going to rinse the wig off in the sink just to get all the suds off of it. And then I am going to empty this tub. I'm going to show you how to drain the water. So there's a little opening here on the side, and you can just drain your water from there. So for the video purpose, I'm going to empty the tub and rinse out the suds so I can go ahead and show you all the rinsing process. I'm going to do the same routine. I'm going to add more water, drop my wig over in the tub, and add conditioner to the water. I didn't add so much water this time around, so just a little will do for rinsing. So with the conditioner, my mistake here was putting the conditioner over in the water. So what I suggest you do is to rub the conditioner throughout the wig and then place in the water. I did not rinse the wig for 10 minutes. I rinsed it for 5 minutes. The wig is now finished rinsing and is conditioned. Now we're getting ready to spin the excess water off the wig. I am placing the spin barrel over in the tub, and I'm going to place my wig over into the spin barrel. So I'm going to show you all. It's the same setting as if you're going to wash it and rinse it. So it's the same setting, except that you got the spin barrel over in the tub. So this is spinning out the excess water. So I put it on 15 minutes twice so that it can spin out all the excess water that is on the wig. It is finished spinning. It's been spinning for about 30 minutes. And now I'm showing y'all the excess water that is draining from the tub. This wig is washed, conditioned, and spinned dry. This washing machine, the portable washing machine, did a good job on this wig. The wig did not lose its shape. It did not pull hair off this wig. I don't see no hair in the barrel or anything. It did a good job. I am very well pleased. This portable wash machine will be for my wigs only. So I thank the ones who wanted me to do this. Thank you so much for your request. So I did place this wig on my wig head to dry the very next day. So the wig came out shiny. I didn't style it. I just placed it on a wig head, but it did come out perfect. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Come back now. You never know what I may have next for you guys. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get that 20,000 subscribers. So please consider on subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.